Hello and welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a timer on Scratch. So I'm just basically going to get straight into it, or I'm just going to talk and talk and talk forever. So first thing we're going to want to do is this is just going to be minutes and seconds, by the way, not hours yet. So we're going to make three variables. The first one is going to be called timer.on. The second one is going to be called timer.seconds. And the third one is going to be timer.minutes. Now, you'll understand why it's called these things later on. So, first of all, what you're going to want to do is right-click on timer.on and click hide, and then move the other two up. Like that. Then, we're just going to get like a when press thing forever, and then we're going to want two if statement things. So now we're going to want, actually no, I keep on doing this mistake. Duplicate that a couple of times because we're going to want three sets. The first one is going to set timer.on to 1. The second one is going to set timer.seconds to 0 and timer.minutes to 0. So now we're going to want to do if operators. If timer.on is equal to 1, this is basically just going to mean it's always on, so this is always happening. You don't necessarily need this, but for me it makes it less buggy, so I would recommend it. Then we're going to want to do wait 1 second, and actually before the wait 1 second, we want a change timer.seconds by 1. Then we're going to I've gone mad now. We're going to want if timer.seconds is more than 58, then wait 1 second and set time and change timer.minutes by 1. Set timer.seconds to 0. Now, as you can see, it's already counting up because I accidentally pressed some stuff. So I'm just going to make it hurry up a bit. So set it to 55. It's going to continue counting up, and then it should. Yeah, it did it relatively well. I'm going to see if I can get it a bit less laggy this time. Okay, so it counts up to that, and never ceases to be annoying. Anyway, you can see what it does. It does that, and the time is actually accurate. So now we're going to want to double click on both of them, and it will do that. Now it's going to count seconds, and then minutes, which is helpful. But it's not amazing. So, here's one I made earlier. I've just got the most cramped desktop ever. Oh yeah. Don't save that one. So, I made this literally a few minutes before doing the video. So, basically, it's really intuitive. It's so easy to learn. So, that's just start, restart, I'll just show you what it does. So, we'll start the timer, and then it will do that. Now, I've put a couple of cheats in, so I can make it do that with the press the button. Then lap is basically going to add the time to a scoreboard type thing. Like that. Delete laps, genius, it gets rid of them. Stop, unsurprisingly stops it, but does not delete the laps. That's intentional because I wouldn't really want it to. Then you can delete the laps. So that's all it really does. Now, let's see how it's done. And then you're going to be able to see how it's done and kind of copy from it. So here is basically the entire timer. I said we're not going to do hours in the other thing because it took me so long to work out that because it wasn't working properly. So when it goes to above 59, it waits 0 seconds. I don't need that there. I just can't really be bothered to get it there. It changes hours by 1, so it makes the hours go up by 1. It sets minutes and seconds, although I don't have that set to seconds, it's just timer, to 0. And then it just keeps on going. I've also somewhere, yeah, this K thing, if I press K, it sets minutes to 59 and timer, so seconds, to 58. As you can see, if I press K and you look over here, press K, it sets it to that. It won't do anything else because it doesn't. That's basically just a little cheat because I didn't really want to test it waiting for hours each time. So, also, basically, this is how all the this is just the thing I made earlier. It was for a game. That can be deleted because I didn't need it. Lap literally just broadcasts timer.lap, which is here. So, I have on data a list named lap, and this just adds, it joins the score for timer, minutes, hours, minutes, seconds, to the list, like that. And then, well, that's it. And then start and restart, it does the start thing, which actually does nothing, so that can be removed from there. It broadcasts timer.start, which then goes into the processor. When it receives timer.start, it deletes all laps and it broadcasts start. Start is this, so it's all that stuff I showed you. Now if we go to stop, it sets everything to 0 and stops everything. Simple. And then delete laps, just broadcast timer.del laps. When this receives timer.del laps, it deletes all of laps. It's actually quite simple. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you make a timer. This one's obviously overcomplicated and you really don't need it like that, but I just wanted to test it out. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to be making more Scratch tutorials in the future. So just comment what you might want to see, if anyone's actually going to watch the videos, by the way. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!